So today, together with ASUS, we're announcing the new Nexus 7, and here it is. Oh. Great. Well, we're staying focused on exactly the same things that made the original Nexus 7 so successful: portability, performance, and of course, the power of Google. So first of all, we designed the new Nexus 7 to be even more portable and even more comfortable than the original model. It's super slim. It's almost 2 millimeters thinner than the original Nexus 7. We kept the same display size, but reduced the side bezels by almost 3 millimeters on each side. So the device is now close to 6 millimeters narrower. It's also 50 grams lighter. And you're going to notice these improvements right away the first time you pick up one of these devices. It actually makes a huge difference when you're holding it with one hand. It's a much more comfortable grip. And of course, it fits easily into your purse or your jacket pocket. Now, in building this device, we really focused on simplifying to core elements. We decided for pure black on black design with the soft touch that everyone loved in the original Nexus 7. We added a few glossy finishes as subtle detail. It looks really amazing, and it just feels great in your hand. Now, when you're using a tablet to read a magazine, to watch a movie, or play a game, or even if you just want to do email, having a crisp and bright display makes all the difference. And that's exactly where the new Nexus 7 really shines. The new Nexus 7 has the same 7-inch display size, but packing in a lot more pixels. We're going from 1280 by 800 in the original Nexus 7 to true 1080p HD at 1920 by 1200 pixels in the new model. That makes the Nexus 7 the world's highest resolution 7-inch tablet. We've gone from 216 pixels per inch, which was great in the original Nexus 7, to 323 pixels per inch in the new model. That's the highest PPI of any tablet in the market. Text and images look even sharper than the highest quality print magazine on the new Nexus 7. And of course, you can watch movies and YouTube videos in native 1080p HD resolution, which is completely unprecedented for a 7-inch tablet. Of course, there's more to a great tablet than just the number of pixels. The new Nexus 7 represents pictures and videos more accurately and more vividly because it can now show a 30% wider range of colors. Having a display that allows you to watch movies in 1080p is excellent. But to that, we've added dual stereo speakers, so you can finally hear your movie or your game soundtrack in stereo. And we've also worked with Fraunhofer, the people who invented MP3 compression, as some of you might know, to integrate their latest virtual surround sound technology into the new Nexus 7. It immerses you in the soundtrack. It's like a 5.1 sound system, but just using the device speakers or any pair of headphones. You'll be able to watch your favorite movies from Google Play in virtual surround sound, and it's awesome. Now, of course, there's no way to show this here on stage, so you'll have to experience it for yourself upstairs in the demo lounge after the event. All right, the new Nexus 7 also features front and rear-facing cameras. Front-facing camera, 1.2 megapixels for video calling and hangouts, and we've also added a 5-megapixel rear camera for photos and 1080p video. Let's talk about performance. The new Nexus 7 ships with a quad-core 1.4 gigahertz Snapdragon S4 Pro chipset. It packs a CPU that's 80% faster and a GPU that delivers 4 times the graphics frame rate compared to the original Nexus 7. This is, of course, particularly great news for gamers, which we're going to come back to in just a bit. We've also doubled the system memory to 2 gigabytes, which means you can have more apps in RAM, and of course, app switching is much faster. You get all the networking options, dual-band Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 4.0, and we're shipping a 4G LTE version of the new Nexus 7. It's unlocked And in the US, you'll be able to get LTE data from AT&T, T-Mobile, or Verizon, all from the same device. It's a single US model. You get HDMI output via Slim port, NFC, and wireless charging, which works, as you'd expect, with any Qi-compatible charger. Finally, let's talk about battery. Even with more than twice the number of pixels and almost double the CPU performance, you get 1 extra hour of power compared to the original Nexus 7, up to 9 hours of HD video playback, and up to 10 hours of web browsing and e-reading. So that's the hardware. It's pretty amazing. And now I want to talk about software. The new Nexus 7 is the first device shipping with Android 4.3, which is the newest version of Jelly Bean that we're announcing today.